It's Steve and Maggie.
Happy Halloween!
Oh! Halloween is great fun, isn't it?
Yeah! Abracadabra!
Whoa! Maggie, you naughty, naughty bird!
You'll have even more fun in my spooky doll's house!
What? Oh, wow! Shall I go in there? Yes! No! Yes! No!
Yes!
Oh, Maggie! Hey! Look at me, boys and girls! What am I? What am I? Ooh! Yeah! A ghost! So come on, let's wave like ghosts! Yeah! Wave, wave like a ghost. Come on, it's Halloween. Wave, wave like a ghost. Come on, it's Halloween. Wave, wave like a ghost. Come on, it's Halloween. Wave, wave like a ghost. Come on, it's Halloween. Yeah! Ooh! Look, look, look! What's through there? Shall we go and see? Yes! Yes! Ooh! Oh, oh, wow! I'm a vampire with pointy teeth. So come on, let's shuffle like vampires. Shuffle like a vampire. Come on, it's Halloween. 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 Yeah! Ooh, wow! Oh, hey! What's through there? Wow! Look at me! Look at me! Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle! Oh! Join in, boys and girls! Let's jiggle! Yeah! Jiggle like a skeleton. Come on, it's Halloween. 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 Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Oh! Oh! Oh, you naughty, naughty skeleton! Oh, wow! Look, I'm not a skeleton anymore, am I? No. So what am I? What am I? Yeah, I'm a pirate! Oh, hey, watch this! Watch this! I'm a skeleton! Yay!
Steve's having fun!
I'm a pirate again! I'm a skeleton again! I'm a pirate again! And pirates dance like this, don't they? Yay! So come on, everyone, let's all dance like pirates! Dance like a pirate, come on, it's Halloween. 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 It's fun to dance like a pirate. Dance, dance, dance like a pirate. I'm a witch, an ugly witch. Oh, no, no, no. I want to be a pirate. That's better. I'm a pirate again, and I'm not going back in there. Oh, Maggie, you naughty, naughty bird. Oh, so hey, if I'm a witch, then I can fly on a broom. Come on, boys and girls, let's all be witches and fly. Fly, fly like a on, it's Halloween. Fly, fly like a witch. Come on, it's Halloween. Fly, fly like a witch. Come on, it's Halloween. Fly, fly like a witch. Come on, it's Halloween.
Oh, wow! Are you having fun, Steve?
Oh, yes, Maggie! Your Halloween doll's house is awesome!
Woohoo! Abracadabra!
Whoa! Wow! That was the best Halloween ever! Hey! You naughty, naughty bird! Happy Halloween!
Yeah!
What? Oh, no, no, no. No school today. It's Sunday. Oh, it's 9 o'clock. Oh, what a sleepyhead. I'm late for school. I've got to get up. Get up now. Oh, oh. You've got to get up, get up, get up now. You got to get up, get up, get up now. You got to get up, get up, get up now. But don't be a sleepyhead. Oh, I'm going to be late for school. Oh, I'm late, I'm late, I'm late. Wait a minute. My school bag. Oh, it's here. Oh, but it's empty. Oh, no. I've got to get my school bag ready for school. Oh, not now, Maggie. I'm late for school.
What?
Oh.
School? But it's Sunday! Silly Steve! Oh,
You've got to get your bag ready for school. You've got to get your bag ready for school. You've got to get your bag ready for school. But don't forget your teddy bear.
Steve! Hey, Steve! Steve, it's Sunday!
Maggie, I know it's sunny. I've got to go to school. I'm late.
Oh, silly Steve! It's Sunday!
Oh, I'm so late. Hold on. My keys. What? Where? Hey. Oh, silly me. Oh no. I'm still wearing my pajamas. Oh, hey, boys and girls. I've got to get dressed. Get dressed now. You've got to get dressed, get dressed, get dressed now. You got to get dressed, get dressed, get dressed now. You got to get dressed, get dressed, get dressed now. But put your pants on first. Oh, silly me. Oh, and I'm still wearing my pajamas.
Oh, silly Steve! Look, it's Sunday! It's Sun! No! Hey!
Oh, great, Maggie. You can put my pajamas away because I'm going to be late for school.
Oh, hey! There's no school on Sunday!
I'm really late. What was that? And again. Oh, it's me. Oh, I forgot to have breakfast. Silly me. Oh. It's time to have breakfast. Have breakfast. It's time to have breakfast. Have breakfast. It's time to have breakfast. Have breakfast. But don't eat it too quickly.
Steve!
Pardon me.
It's Sun!
Yes, Maggie. I know it's sunny, but I'm late for school.
Oh dear! There's no school on Sunday!
Oh, I'm super late. Hold on. Oh, I forgot to clean my teeth. Oh, dear. How silly. You've got to clean your teeth. Clean your teeth. You got to clean your teeth, clean your teeth. You got to clean your teeth, clean your teeth. And wash your face. Great, I'm ready for school.
Steve!
Oh, Maggie, stop telling sunny. I know. I'm going to be late for school.
Come on, boys and girls. Let's see what happens at school on Sunday.
When you walk to school, walk to school. When you walk to school, walk to school. When you walk to school, walk to school. Don't step in poop.
Oh, this is not a good day. But look, I'm at school. Finally. Okay, be quiet, be quiet, be quiet. Hey, why is no one here?
Because it's Sunday.
Oh, Maggie, why didn't you tell me? You naughty, naughty bird.
Happy birthday, dear Steve. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, wow. Thanks, Maggie. Oh, hello, boys and girls. Today, it's my birthday. I've got a present. Oh, what's inside? What's inside? Let's find out. Wow. Hey.
Oh, silly Steve.
It's empty.
It's at the bottom. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, down there. Aha! Yay! A remote control. Oh, but a remote control for what? Let's find out. Yeah. A remote controlled present. Wow.
Open it, Steve. Open it.
Okay, let's make it come back. Yay! Great! Oh, hey, boys and girls, what do you think is in the present? Let's find out. Yeah. Hey, what a naughty present.
Silly Steve.
Hold on. This is Maggie, isn't it?
Yeah.
Being a naughty, naughty bird.
Sorry, Steve. Okay, you can open your present now.
Oh, yeah! Come on, let's see what's inside. Let's open it. Let's open it. 1, 2. Oh, Maggie. Wow! A monster truck. Come on, let's try it out. Whoa!
Look out! Oh, Steve! You really are a bad driver.
No, Maggie, I'm a really good driver when I get behind the wheel.
Really?
Yes, Maggie, of course.
Let's find out. Abracadabra!
Wow! Look at my monster truck. Come on, let's go.
Hey, let's have some fun with Steve and his monster truck. Look out, Steve.
I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. You can't stop me, no, I'll never get stuck.
Ha-ha! Oh, nothing can stop me in my monster truck. I'm unstoppable. Oh, hey, what's that? What's going on? Ah, a bucket! Whoa, another bucket! Oh, and another bucket! Oh, buckets! Buckets! Buckets everywhere! Oh, a red bucket! A blue bucket! A yellow bucket! A green bucket! A zebra bucket! Oh! Oh, hey! Who turned the lights out? That's not fair! Hold on. Go! I'm unstoppable! Nothing can stop me! Oh, not even that!
I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. You can't stop me, no, I'll never get stuck.
Oh, that that was fun. And it didn't stop me. No, no, no. I'm unstoppable. Let's go. Oh, what's Maggie got? She's got a tube.
Yeah.
She's trying to stop me with a big tube. Oh no, I'm going to hit it. Ah! Ah! Where am I? Whoa! I'm in a tunnel. Whoa! A tunnel. A tunnel. Oh, how do I get out of here? Hey, you see, I am a good driver, aren't I? Yeah. Oh no, a slide, but I am unstoppable. Hey, oh wow, you see, I really am unstoppable. Yay! Oh, and that looks fun. Yeah!
I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. You can't stop me, no, I'll never get stuck.
Oh, that sandpit was great fun. Let's do it again. Yeah!
Hey, what will stop Steve in his monster truck? I know! Dinosaurs! Yeah!
Oh, it's Maggie. Hey, boys and girls, do you know how Maggie's going to stop me now? Oh, what? Dinosaurs! Dinosaurs! Oh, a purple dinosaur! A yellow dinosaur! An orange dinosaur! Oh, dinosaurs! 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 A mountain of dinosaurs! This is crazy! Oh, great! You see, not even a mountain of dinosaurs can stop me. No, no, no! I'm unstoppable! Oh, oh, oh no! I can't stop here. I'm unstoppable! Come on, let's go!
I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. I'm unstoppable when I'm in my monster truck. You can't stop me, no, I'll never get stuck.
You see, Maggie, you can't stop me. Where is that naughty, naughty bird?
Look behind you!
What? Oh no! Balls! Ah, a football! Oh, ah, a basketball! Oh, a rugby ball! Oh, a volleyball! Oh, a beach ball! Oh, ow! You see, Maggie, you can't stop me. I'm unstoppable.
Oh no! Stop, Steve! Stop! I mean it! Stop!
No, 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 Maggie. I'm unstoppable! Oh, no! Okay, maybe I'll stop for a bit of cake. Happy birthday to me! Oh, this is the best birthday ever! See you next time, boys and girls.
Bye-bye!
Bye now. Oh, hey!
Yeah!